Hello my friends and welcome to my blue part of my 2020 rainbow series. I'm kind of excited for this look, not gonna lie. I'm obsessed with the creator that I am inspired by, and that is Georgia. This look, she was inspired by Dua Lipa. She kind of recreated it, and so I'm going to recreate her version of it. Georgia Massey, that's her Instagram. But I'm excited to do this installment for my 2020 Rainbow series. And so without further ado, I'm going to throw on some music so that we can get started and get some makeup on this face. Look a little crazy right now, but I'm gonna go do my brows and my other eye off camera just to save some time.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
finish this all off, aka lips.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
But this is the final look. Is it exactly like the look that I was inspired by? No, but I take inspiration, take my own twist, and I may not have every product. It's getting really hot in here, so I'm gonna wrap this up kind of quick. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up, or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is all under SassMaddieYT, same as spelled here, both Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Always go follow me on TikTok. It's lovely times over there. I don't even know. But with all that being said, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.